next game, this is for all improvisers. This is called Rhyme Die. So, this is going to be more like a competitive improv game. So, split yourselves into two groups. Ayan. So, what is going to happen is they're going to have to do scenes, pero kailangan nag-rhyme doon sa word namin yung scenes na sasabihin nila. Okay? So, can you give me a one-syllable name? Any name, one syllable. Mark. So the word is Mark. Sino yung first?
That was his. Si Mark, he's so hot, he makes me bark.
Hay nako, alam mo, may mas gwapo dyan. Ang pangalan niya, Rizal Park.
Alam mo, si Mark, he's so talented, he's so good with his hands, because he plays the harp.
Wala yan kay Rizal. Kasi dadalhin ka sa kanyang arc.
Oh, bongga. Eh, itong si Mark na mahal ko, we have
Okay. Can we have another name? One
What's
syllable
your
name.
name?
Mon. So the name is Mon.
Ang sweet-sweet naman ng nanay ko. Binagyan ako ng baon.
Alam mo naman, pinaglihi kita sa Sinabon.
Alam ko kung saan store yan. Doon.
Eh, diba, yung tatay mo kasi palagi akong binubusog ng mamon.
Dati pa yun, ma. Noon.
Alam mo, hindi ko talaga makalimutan. Kasi, ikaw ang aking son.
And you always taught me, mama, to always pray sa puon.
Alam mo, nagugutom na ako, anak. Tara, kain tayo ng wonton.
Pero mama, you know naman my favorite is pancit canton.
Nak, alam mo, ang pinangalan ko sa'yo, di ba? Don.
Pero I want to be called Telimon.
Alam mo, yan ka na naman. Hindi ka nakikinig sa iyong mom.
Okay, can we have another name? One syllable name. Jin. Jin ata, Jin. Tama, Jin?
Jim with an M. J-I-M.
Jin, M. Jin. J-I-N. Okay, the word is Jin.
Ang hirap naman dito sa gym.
Don't forget your baon, your milk, Klim. Oh, don't stay out. Stay in. Pero mas gusto ko dito, sa dilim.
Ang bigat naman ito. Hindi mo ba kukunin?
Yung pagbigay mo kasi sa akin, parang bitin.
Tikman mo, may kanin.
Malinamnam, aminin.
Ano napunta sa chin?
Huwag mo masyadong kadiin.
Hindi ba masarap? Sige, isuka mo na lang dyan sa bin.
May gusto ka sa akin, no? Aminin.
Hindi pa pwede. You're my king.
Sabi po kasi ako gusto dalhin.
Ewan ko.
Okay. Sino na ba leading? Sino leading? Sila, okay. Last na ba to? Or dalawa pa? Okay. We'll have another word, another name, sorry, na one syllable. May. May. The word is May.
Alam ko na ang way.
Wala akong paking.
Sure, may fake ka.
You have to pay.
Ganyan talaga, Tay?
Hey!
No, May.
Ano kay?
Tay!
Bawal umulit.
Okay, next word.
Next name.
Next name. One syllable name.
Paul.
Paul. Okay, the name is Paul.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna fall.
Wait. Let's go to the mall.
Oh, but I need to find a dress for the ball.
Right. But remember,
You know.
Okay.